Let's get some discussion and conversation from our criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor guest who is standing by, David Bruno. It is good to see you. Thanks so much for joining us. This case is literally in the hands of the jury right now. We are recapping some of what this jury heard, and the prosecution is saying Kevin Ellis, he's no pawn. Even if he's not in all of the conversations between the sister and the mother, he is a part of this plan. Do you think this is an argument that's going to work for this jury?
I think the state's got a very strong case. I mean, first of all, you have the inner workings of the conspiracy with the sister of the defendant. She has taken a plea, she has agreed, and she has agreed to cooperate. So there's a little asterisk there on the cooperation. Obviously, she gets benefit for the cooperation. However, when you throw in that staging evidence that the prosecutor has, that's the most persuasive for me. Now, they staged this knife in the victim's right hand. He's a lefty. He was also shot in the right wrist. So it doesn't make any sense that he would hold on to that knife with multiple gunshots to the body, including the gunshot to the wrist. So you have that staging evidence from the prosecutor, and then you just sew it up with the inner workings of the conspiracy that leads to a very persuasive state case.
All good points. We are about to get to the defense's side of this. There's one point that I noticed during the cross-examination that they would bring up, and that is that Kevin Ellis had a hotel key and a little bit of cocaine in his room that was really open for police to find. So the defense suggesting that if he was part of a plot, if he knew all of this was going down ahead of time, why wouldn't he gotten those drugs out of there? What do you think, David?
Yeah, in order for you to buy that, you have to buy logical thought process. And to begin with, I mean, this is a plan that is not illogical. You know, if you don't have good relations with your spouse, go to a court, get a lawyer, you divorce them. You do not line it up like they did. So, look, great points. Defense attorneys have to do what they do, and they have to use what they have. And there's not much more that the defense has, but that sort of logical or illogical thought process.
Oh, yeah, we're going to watch it all play out together. David, stand by. We're going to get to our break. Before we do that...